the channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. So today in this video I'm gonna share with you this box from Amcaffeine and let's see what is there in the box. So without further ado, let's straightly get into the video. So guys, I opened this and after that you receive this too. So now let's just open this too and see what is there in this box. So I'm really excited. मैं इसको अनबॉक्स कर लूँ, उसके बाद मैं बात कर लूँ. Yes, because I think I should do it. Okay guys, so मैंने उसको खोल लिया. I have unboxed this box and उसके अंदर मुझे ये वाला box receive हुआ and which is so beautiful. The packaging, I'm love with the packaging. Okay, so before unboxing this, so first I'm gonna start like about this pouch. What is there in this pouch? So you get a very like beautiful pouch. Okay, so first we got this too. So I think one is okay. This is the Amcaffeine body scrub and this is the Amcaffeine choco body butter. Okay, मेरे पास body butter already है from other brand. Okay, anyways, so this is the travel size. Like if you can if you after using this, if you find like this suits you and you like it, and definitely you can go for the bigger one. Okay, so this is the travel size. Okay, so now let's unbox the big one. Okay, before unboxing I'll tell you it's from Amcaffeine and it's written already here, bold, young and confident. Okay, it's clearly visible, right? Can you see? Yes, it's written. So what we get inside the box is ta-da! मैं खुद ही background music दे रहा हूँ. Okay, so just look at the packaging. And so before talking about the products, I'll tell you I got this from their website. So they are having a very good offer on their website, so please don't forget to check it out. So, and I think this is a very good gifting options for, I think like it's a very decent, the price range start from a very decent price, and of course like the packaging like this can impress anyone, don't you think? I am in love. Okay, so I'll just unbox this. So you get this two product, okay, because I purchased, because I don't want to I just purchased the product which is needed for me. So on that, keeping that on mind, I ordered this box. There are other range according to your needs. You can definitely go for it. So for I got this one. So I'll tell you what is inside this box. Okay, so the first one is face serum and the second one is the under eye cream. Okay, so this too, the face serum, there was lots of hype about this face serum, so I thought I should definitely try this. And as we all know, coffee is very good for our skin and it's literally keeps your skin very healthy, so I thought I should give a try to this product. So I'll show you the texture how it is. Guys, please आप लोग भी smell करो. Can you just see? I'll just show you the texture. It's looking like a brother. Guys, you just see how the texture, it's exactly looking. This is the serum and just see how beautifully it's absorbed in your skin. Like, can you just see it's absorbed so beautifully on your skin, and the consistency is like a watery consistency. It's not like a oil based or a gel consistency, but it's like a watery consistency, and like I'm impressed. Now this is the first impression which I can give of this product. Go and check their website if you want to try this Amcaffeine range. If you are literally into like you want to try this, please go into their website and please check it out. Their sales are like amazing, and I will literally, and it's completely dry on my skin. Like it's not the oil, the chip wala feel आता ही नहीं है. Like, can you just see? कुछ products होते हैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा चिपचिपा, मुझे वो पसंद नहीं है. Like, of course it is hydrated at the same time, but it's not oily and sticky at the same. But girl, it's so good. I am impressed. Okay, now let's talk about the other product. Okay, now this is the eye range. Okay, see, under eye cream is for everyone, so I thought I should try once. And it's got a very pump one, so of course you can literally pump it out. I'll just show you. इसको pump कैसे निकलता क्यों नहीं है? वो निकल गया. This is the product that मैं थोड़ा कंजूसी कर लेता हूँ because now I'm not going to use, right? थोड़ा बदलना ज़रूरी है. Can you just see, guys? Okay, this also smells like coffee. It smells so delicious. Like जैसे कि हम लोग कभी कैफे पे जाते हैं and we smell as soon as the cup of the coffee is front of us, वो automatically we can smell it, right? It's smelling exactly like that, guys. Trust me. This cream, I wish I could like मैं इसको खा लेती हूँ तो बहुत. and आप लोग एक बार इसको smell कर. This smells so good, guys, and trust me, so this is the two product that I got. Of course I will definitely suggest you, like you can definitely check it out. So this is the product, and this is the body butter, and this two product that I received in the box. And what a coincidence, like can you see it's matching. Okay, guys, can you notice, have you noticed one thing? We are matching. It is totally unplanned, or you can call it a plan, because I knew when I ordered this box this will be something like this, but I am in love with it. Yes, I am in love with it. Okay, now moving on, this two product. इनके बारे में तो बात हो गया, so I'll have to talk about this too, right? So yes, let's talk about it. So first I'll talk about this body butter. Like I'll show you how the consistency looks like. This is the consistency. Let me try it out for you guys. It's so thick. Can you imagine? Like I'm just digging into it and it's not even. सिर्फ इतना ही product है मेरे हाथ में. It's so thick. Like मैंने दूसरा brand का भी use किया, but it's not that thick, guys. It's completely so thick. Girl, they're doing great. And one more thing is like मैंने दूसरा brand का भी body butter use किया. It is not like they are very thick and थोड़ा सा चुप, but इसमें एकदम जैसे सीरम में मैंने बताया वो एकदम चुप non sticky feel नहीं होता, but it's hydrated at the same time. And same goes, guys. It's so good. They are doing amazing. But trust me, it's not. I know ऐसा करने से कोई body butter निकलता नहीं है, but can you see I'm just digging my finger and like can you just see I'm just मैंने पूरा, it's not even coming out. Can you imagine? It's so thick. It's good one, girl. It's completely good, guys. And trust me, you can even use this समर पे यूज कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको विंटर पे यूज करना, बिकॉज इट्स सिंपली लाइक नॉन स्टिक. आप अगर इफ यू आर यूजिंग बॉडी बटर, यू नो लाइक वो बॉडी बटर ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्ट, इट्स लाइक ट्राइज टू कीप योर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड, बट थोड़ा सा यू विल एग्री विथ मी लाइक वो स्टिकी कर देता है कहीं ना कहीं. बट दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल स्टिकी, गाइज. प्लीज आई वुड सजेस्ट दिस body butter, and of course it smells like yum. It smells delicious. Like I am totally impressed. Like I'm impressed with this. Okay, so this is one, and this is the body scrub, like coffee naked and raw body scrub. Okay, so this is from normal to oily skin. So if you know me, the one who know me personally, I belong from a like oily skin, because I literally like I don't sweat a lot, but I belong from an oily skin family. Okay, so girl, let me open this. Okay, it's like a powdery texture. Okay, I will not like मैं पूरा नहीं निकालने वाली, because it's like a powder वाला ऐसा होता है ना, like ऐसा समझ में आ गया ना, बस ऐसा करके मैं समझा दिया. Okay, I thought like okay, so you have to like take a scoop of it and you have to mix with it the oil or a water, and then you just to scrub. It's like very good. Like it's not like a normal scrub जो ऐसे tube form में, it's not unlike that. Like a dry one, you have to mix it with a water or any sort of like essential oil, so that like it's good for like body scrubbing. And one thing I'm gonna tell you, like if I like this product, I'm definitely going to get the full size. But after using it, if you ask me, like according to me, my first impression is like yes, I like it. And even after using, if I have that same opinion, then I'm definitely going to get the full size of this product, and especially this body butter, because I am in love with this body butter. I don't know about the other products, because after using because these are very much, everyone have a different skin type, so it's something that suits me may not suit the other person, so it's vice versa. But if it suits me, I will definitely going to purchase the full size. And guys, this is all for this video, and please don't forget to check their website, and you can get all this product on Nykaa. And even they are in Nykaa is always having some or the other sale going on. Even in the Amcaffeine website also you get a very good offer. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. Move. So guys, this is it. So I'll see you guys in my next one, and please subscribe करके जाना अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया तो. So bye guys.